Winter is coming to an end, and Luxembourg will celebrate in the only way it knows how.
By burning it away!
To people unfamiliar with the concept, the optics might seem intimidating or striking, but it is steeped in history. Originally, Buergbrennen was a pagan custom marking the beginning of spring. The fire symbolizes the return of spring and the driving away of winter, the triumph of warmth over cold. In the past, farmers and wine growers would use the smoke from Buergbrennen to predict the weather, believing that the direction of the smoke would indicate the pattern for the early summer. Experts also note that the word Bursch has nothing to do with a castle, but instead derives from the Latin word burere, meaning to burn. Almost every village organizes its own. The weeks leading up to the event, wood, straw and garden cuttings are often collected, including old Christmas trees, before being stacked in an open space into a large bonfire structure, typically topped with a cross or a symbolic fortress, which is then set alight. So, where will you be celebrating Buergbrennen this year? Let us know in the comments below and read the full article on RTLToday.lu.